Hi, I'm Gauravi. I'm a fractional design partner for startups in healthcare, SaaS, and fintech. I have been doing this for more than 3 years now, and the way I would describe it, I live in the gap where a founder can vision and what a developer can build. Most founders pitch their startups perfectly when they walk into the room, and when the venture capitalists asks them how this screen should look like, there is a pause. I step in, I understand what the founder is trying to build, I translate their vision through my design skills and let the engineering team execute it, and I stay in the room until the product is shipped. So the project that I am totally proud of is an healthcare app. It is called Vaxicart and it was funded by GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceutical London. When I came in, the founders kept trying to fix the onboarding, did A/B testing on the copies, but there were zero users who were using it, and the DAU was kept dropping. So I went back, studied the Adobe Analytics that the app was installed in, and I found that the most of the users were dropping on the onboarding itself, and the app was still in the late 90s. It was not even a modern app. So I went back. I started from scratch. I did user interviews. I did understand the analytics that was available to me through their internal data. I did A/B testing of the low fidelity prototype first on the real users, and then we moved to the high fidelity where the actual design was made. Also managed the developers from EY team, and I also rewrote the briefs because it didn't made any sense. I also sit on the stand-ups, the Slack channel, did workshops so that the analysts and developers from UI team can understand the design decisions. I don't need to be managed. I come in and I study the brief. I also need to push back if the brief is not what the problem you are solving for, and I start executing who want to make it real and they have a very strong vision lined up. I don't need to get a perfect bullseye brief. I just need to get the context. I will sit with you and design it, translate your vision into prototypes, which then your engineering team can build. I have worked and built with Fortune 500 companies who have backed the startups in fintech, SaaS. The thing that came up after designing those apps and websites wasn't the Figma file, it was the expression on their face that we didn't know that we needed you. And if that sounds like you, then you can have me. Thank you.